Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that has intrigued many: winning the lottery, specifically the Mega Millions and Powerball. While luck plays a significant role, there are strategies that can help increase your odds. Let's explore these strategies and delve into the world of big jackpots. First things first, let's be realistic. Winning the lottery is statistically challenging due to astronomical odds. However, understanding these odds can help you make informed decisions. Consistency is key. Regularly playing increases your chances of hitting the jackpot. Set a budget you're comfortable with and stick to it. Consider joining or forming a lottery pool with friends or colleagues. Pooling resources means more tickets, which boosts your chances collectively. Choosing less common numbers might lead to a bigger jackpot if you win, as you're less likely to split it with multiple winners. Balance your number selection between high and low, even and odd numbers. This approach can increase your chances of having a unique combination. Many people choose numbers based on birthdays and anniversaries, limiting their range. Opt for a diverse range of numbers for better odds. Don't toss losing tickets. Many lotteries offer second chance drawings, giving you another shot at a prize. Keep an eye on the jackpot size. Bigger jackpots attract more players, which could mean more competition if you win. Only buy tickets from authorized sources, like official lottery retailers. Be cautious of scams and unauthorized vendors. While strategies can enhance your chances, remember that playing responsibly is key. Don't spend more than you can afford. In the end, winning the lottery requires a mix of strategy, luck, and responsible play. If your numbers align, you might just find yourself holding that winning ticket. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of lottery strategies. If you found this insightful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more discussions, and share with those who dream big.